Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In honor of Pakistan's Independence Day, let's learn about the making of Pakistan from 1940 till 1947. The main question we are looking at is how the events in these years created hope and fear amongst the people of South Asia. So we can see that 1940 was a hopeful year for the Muslims, but the Congress rejected the idea of Pakistan. In 1942, the Quit India movement made the Muslim League more significant, but the Hindus persisted with harsh judgment. By 1945, after hearing Jinnah's speech, more Muslims supported the Pakistan ideology, and a year later, all Muslims were gathered for action, where riots broke out as well. Finally, in 1947, Pakistan was created after many sacrifices of people who were killed during the migration period. During all this, the turning point was between 1945 and 46 because problems increased from government to people and violence. For the Muslim League, Muhammad Ali Jinnah wanted a separate nation and did everything to support it, from the Lahore Resolution to protests. Lord Mountbatten from the British proposed lots of plans but later accepted the partition idea. The Congress led by Mahatma Gandhi wanted a united India and didn't like the separation at all. The Radcliffe Line was the line of borders drawn by the British. It created a lot of problems as most of the Hindus and Muslims were displaced during the partition. Now, the new location was the northern border of India and newly found Pakistan. The key triggers were escalations from the Direct Action Day, leading to more riots. Muslims had hope that they would cross the border and reach their promised homeland, but there was a lot of fear that there would be lots of displacement, staggering refugee numbers, and massive loss of life. If we see the archives, there was a lot of administrative struggle and sacrifice for Pakistan. Jinnah's speeches and Allama Iqbal's poems brought ideas and hope to everyone, while the British were torn about whether they should give independence to India and Pakistan or not. The refugees along the journey to Pakistan highlight the true hardships of making an independent land. This period teaches us that leadership strategies, communal tensions, and the British administration all contributed to a revolution and an unexpected loss of lives. This period fulfilled long awaited goals, but also triggered human crisis and major problems for the new country. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.